Hello and welcome to week 9, return from spring break for some of us. Your new front page is up, and if we click on week 9 and wait just a little bit, you will see we have a few things going on. First off, in the project instructions, there's nothing new, but there is an assignment there to post whatever you have currently for a budget breakdown. Just kind of give me an early look at that. There's still a little bit more finance stuff coming next week, stuff about saving for the trip and so on, but I need you to go ahead and finish up some more Chapter 8 before we can do that part, so there's just a place to post your budget breakdown. Then the thing that's a little bit new this week, there's a thing on here called a group quiz. Let me go ahead and talk about everything else on here first. My Math Lab assignments for 8.3 and 8.4. Let's just double check that those have the correct due dates on them. Yes, March the 25th for 8.3 and 8.4. That is correct. Although, hold on, 8.5 is also set for March the 25th. I need to change that one. Hold on just a second. Okay, we're resuming, and I have updated that portion. So now section 8.5 is due April 1st. So that's Easter Sunday, unfortunately, but hopefully you have it done before then. Then our finance test, April 6th, the Friday after that. So that's the rest of the finance chapter. So if we go back to the modules, the one thing that is a little new and different this week is a group quiz. And the reason this quiz is here, it's only 5 little points. But the reason this quiz is here is there's a topic that a lot of people struggle with, and that is the average daily balance method. So basically the way this works, I have a beginning balance. I gave you an annual interest rate, and I gave you 4 purchases that happened during a month. And you are to find the average daily balance. So that happened in a lecture video, and then there is a whole separate video right here on just finding average daily balance. So, okay, that was interesting. I found the average daily balance method video that I've been using for a while is no longer on YouTube. So I have found a new one. The thing with this video, it walks you through how to do all the steps of the average daily balance method. So I encourage you to go through this. The only thing is that on the last step, and I'll show that to you right here, when they find the interest, they do interest as principal times rate times time, and this one was 23% annual, times the time was 1/12 for 1 month out of 12. In your textbook, they actually do this based on days. So if you did a month that was 30 days, you do 30 over 365. If it's a 31-day month, you do 31 over 365. So everything about this method is correct, except for this very last step. You would change this to a calculation in days instead of months. Okay, so I've updated that video for you. Sorry, this is a little bit choppy this week, putting this together here. So let's go back then. So again, your quiz for the week is just to do an average daily balance calculation. I gave you just a few notes there, or a few purchases there. That's due Sunday night, but if you look at it, you're supposed to get your work done by Friday, and then by Sunday night the group should agree on a correct answer. So this is going to require everybody to post once by Friday explaining what they did. It might be easiest just to post a picture of your work or something like that, or you can try to type it all out. You will not see anyone else's answer until you post, and then you can look at everybody else's and kind of decide, oh, what you did was right, or here's what I did wrong, or hey, I noticed you used the 1/12 here instead of the 30 over 365 or whatever. So that's a good idea. You also need to know exactly how many days are in each month. So we're using October here. So remember, October has 31 days, right? So anyway, got to track those things. Okay, so again for this week, you have a place to post your budget if you've gotten to work on that. You have a place again to ask homework questions. You have a group quiz, and then you have 8.3 and 8.4 MyMathLab assignments. If you are a little bit ahead of things, you could go ahead and work on, I've opened up week 10 where you could get in and finish the 8.5 homework if you wanted to do that. So that's all posted there. There will be some more project stuff coming at that point too, but just if you want to go ahead and finish up the MyMathLab, you can certainly do that. Okay, I'm going to stop the video there. Please message me if you have any questions or anything like that. Thanks.